Okay, welcome back everybody. We've got a product here from VEVOR, and this is quite unique as you can see. This is a 7-foot long box that came from VEVOR. What this is a extension pole for things like painting attachments and cleaning attachments and things. And this is, believe it or not, completely closed. This is a telescoping pole that telescopes out to, I forgot the actual size, but when it's completely closed, it's 7 feet long. I just wanted to show a picture of the box before we pull it out of there. So let's pull it out of there. Okay, so here we go. Here's our first look at it. As you can see, it is nice and thick. The thickness, I think it's a little over an inch. I really should have a measuring tape there, but thick anyway. And so here's your nice foam grips to hold in two sections, because when it's fully extended, you're going to need two hands on it for sure. And the way it works, it has a kind of a standard end on it, as you can see there, where most things will screw on there. Things like a paint roller are tapped in the end there, and or like a cleaning brush or whatever else is in the cleaning aisle or the painting aisle or any other kind of aisle that has that kind of a standard. Oh, what is that? I don't know what size it is. Hopefully I'm looking it up and putting it on the screen now. And then the way it works, as you can see here, these clips, you just open up the clip and slide that section out, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So 4 times 7, 28 feet. I still haven't actually looked back to see what the extended size is, and I will know by the next scene. And so what we're going to do now is I think that we're going to put this paint roller on there. Curiously enough, I have the wrong size brushes on there. So we're just not even going to open that pack. We're just going to show this bare roller just to show you the reach that you can do. As for extending this straight up in the air, I don't have anything that's 3 stories tall, but I can extend it out on the driveway. So let me do that now. Okay, so I just looked at the Amazon page, and the Amazon page says that it's 30 feet, and you know, that sounds right. But I just wanted to mention something else that they were showing. They were showing an angled, the end would angle to any angle so that you could angle it. But that attachment is not in the box, and I'm reading here, and try to get this at an angle that I can read. If you look there at number 5, it says the multi-angle threaded connector is only available for model so-and-so. And I guess this isn't model so-and-so. So that is not in the box. I don't know if it's supposed to be in a box, but it wasn't in the box. So, but I'm sure it's a standard screw-in. So, sold separately, maybe? It didn't explain. It also doesn't list it in the information on the page, the Amazon page, but it shows it in the picture, which makes it confusing. So, I don't know. I was saying, and I just wanted to mention that it didn't come with it. Okay, so let's get this out on the driveway and extend it all the way out and see how long it is. Okay, so there's a look at what a 30-foot extension pole looks like. I was able to pick it up from the ground. Of course, it arced quite a bit. And that's with the empty paint roller on it. If you had it all loaded up with paint, I don't know how well that would go. But my other guess is that you would very rarely have it extended all the way to 30 feet. It's just a matter of having that option in an emergency for like the high point of the peak of the house on the second story. would be the most challenging, but for the most part it wouldn't be extended this long. You would just have you know, like 1 or 2 sections extended for the majority of your painting or your cleaning, your windows, or so on, and then every once in a while extend it all the way. I'm going to pan back on the other camera so that you can see what that looks like. I think I can get back far enough so that you can see. I'll just put this right up at the sky, so, well, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but let's try it. Okay, I just previewed the clip that I just filmed and saw that it even went out of that frame, even all the way back there, but you get the gist. It's long. It's real long. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close it all the way up to the 7-foot mark and show it in kind of a real world situation where you might be painting if you had an actual roller on there, and where you would be able to adjust it as you go to get to the higher parts. So I'll set the camera up on the side of the house and on its the highest point of the house so that I can show you that. Okay, so that basically wraps it up. It didn't occur to me till I was right next to the van here that, yeah, it could be used as a car wash brush, a really long one. So anytime you get to a high profile vehicle like a van, or especially like my new truck is bigger than my last truck, I'm having trouble washing the top of it. But this one, as you saw, you can reach all the way over to the other side from this side. That's first time I've done that. That would be a great car wash brush. And so whether, you know, whatever it is that you can find them, it occurs to me like for a second story window or something, you could put a squeegee on there. And I can't even think of all the things, but it definitely works good. It's rigid enough to work properly, as you saw when I was cleaning up under the soffit there. I was able to put some pressure upward and have a slight bend to it, and be able to brush off the spider webs and hornets nests and stuff like that out from under there, and you also be able to paint under there. So it's a great brush. Now there's only so much you can do in a review video with a pole, but look forward to the next video. I've got something else that I can attach to it, another VEVOR product, and that's coming up, so stay tuned. But if you want this is a great multi-purpose extended pole. The link will be in the description and in the top pinned comment if you want to go get one. So I highly recommend it. It's pretty good. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.